Hello. Overall, a bullish week for energy prices, so let's take a look at what's been happening in some more detail. Prices rose on Tuesday after OPEC Plus announced production cuts would increase in June by 411,000 barrels per day. Front-month Brent gained $1.22 per barrel session on session. Despite a bullish start to Wednesday's session, front-month Brent closed down day on day. Prices remain volatile ahead of this weekend's trade talks between the US and China. Brent rose $0.63 per barrel on Thursday as market participants eagerly await the outcome of the trade talks. Last night, front-month Brent closed at $62.61 per barrel, which is up $1.19 per barrel compared to last Friday. The bulls took charge on Tuesday and all contracts rose. The most notable gains were seen on the prompt and near-term contracts as wind output reduced whilst demand rose. Curve contracts rose as the EU Commission unveiled its plans to phase out Russian gas and LNG imports by the end of 2027, even if a ceasefire is agreed. Prices were mixed on Wednesday. Near-term contracts eased while some curve contracts found support. One of the main drivers was a reduction in LNG imports. The EU's proposal to ease storage targets ahead of this winter also impacted prices, with injections potentially being curtailed. Most contracts rose on Thursday. An unplanned outage added pressure to the system. So last night, all contracts closed higher compared to last Friday. Near-term contracts saw the biggest movement, with June and July gaining just over 6 pence per therm. Winter 25 gained 6.3 pence per therm and Winter 26 gained 3.5 pence per therm. All contracts rose on Tuesday, tracking the bullish nature of gas, carbon and oil. Near-term contracts eased on Wednesday, whilst curve contracts rose. Contracts largely tracked the movements of their gas counterparts. Higher temperature forecasts and improved renewable output weighed down on prompt prices. However, all curve contracts rose in line with gas. Last night, all curve contracts closed higher compared to last Friday. Winter 25 gained £3.8 per megawatt hour and Winter 26 gained £2.7 per megawatt hour. You can download the full version of this report from our website. Thanks for watching. See you next week.